To assign using Schoology, log in to your Schoology account. Choose Courses at the top right of your screen and select the course where you wish to make the assignment. Now, at the top of your screen, click on Add Materials. When you click here, you will now see a new menu with Lone Star Learning Plus to the right. Click on Lone Star Learning and your Lone Star Learning library will load. Choose the product you want to assign and then choose the particular assignment you wish to send out to students. When you get to this point, you can either choose and directly assign to students immediately, or you can click on Show to preview and then choose to assign. When you select Choose, your assignment has been made.